So Josh scored 2,000 on his SAT, and we want to know what his percentile was. Again, data is normal with a mean of 1350 and a standard deviation of 300. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our calculator and do second vars, normal CDF. So we want to know what the probability is to the left of this. So here we use negative 100 for our lower bound, since we're going to be looking to the left. For our upper bound, we're going to put the 2,000. And then here, because we're not dealing with standardized, we're going to put the mean in of 1350 and a standard deviation of 300. Okay, we'll go ahead and paste that in, and we'll get percentile is 0.984. I guess we'll round that up to a 9. So that means 98. She did better than 98% of the students. Okay, now we want to know what scores make up the top 20%. Well, again, this is going to correspond to the lower 80%. So what we'll do is we'll go to our second vars, and we'll go to inverse norm. So we want the area to the left to be 80%, so we'll put 0.80. But now, since this is dealing with the actual scores and not the z-scores, we will have to put our mean and standard deviation in. So our mean was 1350, and our standard deviation was 300. And we go ahead and paste this in. We can see that the cutoff for the top 20% is actually 1602. Okay. Also on the homework, I did put in a range here, but notice I don't know what a perfect score on the SATs are, so this is actually just going to be a single answer for the homework. It's just in this case, it'll be 1602 is the score.